We are still working with the rescued spider, but we are going to try and photograph him with the iPhone. This might be interesting because I'm not 100% sure we're going to get a shot that will be good. So in the previous video, we rescued a spider from the bath and we brought it into the studio to do a photo shoot. It's the spider's way of saying thank you for saving my life. So I have the exact same setup that we used in that video, and if you want to check the video out, it's up here in the corner. That'll detail how I set up the scene and how I managed the spider. This video is just going to be about using the iPhone. So I'm going to reset my scene. As you know, we was doing some focus stacking in the last one. So I'm going to reset the scene, and I'm going to use the Viltrox Sprite 15C for lighting. Now while I'm using that, it's going to be hard for you to see me because of all the lighting, but it is necessary. And I'm going to be using the Moment macro lens on my iPhone 12 Pro. So literally all I'm going to be doing is that with the iPhone and the light, try and get the shot that we want. Again, exactly the same as we do with the main camera when we set up. We want to take some test shots to make sure we've got the settings the way we wanted. Okay, so let's switch cameras to the wide. That's the one that has my macro lens on there. I'm going to make sure it's in RAW. White balance. Now the white balance on my light is 5500. So let's change that white balance to 5500. I'm going to set the ISO as low as possible. Our shutter speed is going to be... Oh no, let's go around there. Let's just go around there. And what I'm going to do here now is with one hand I'm going to hold the light, and with the other one I'm going to take a picture of the log. And then we will take a look, and you can see there it's overexposed. Okay, that's the flash is on. That's why it's overexposed, because the flash was on and I never noticed. Right, let's try again. That looks good to me. That looks good to me. I'll put the camera settings on screen because I'm going to be messing around with them quite a bit. What we want to do is ideally we want to have the same situation that we had in the last video where he comes onto this branch and he settles down. If he settles down, we've got time to mess around with our settings and get everything set up right. So let's get him out now. So here's Bob. After this photo shoot, I'm going to let him go. And I'm going to let him go in the office. So you never know, we might find him again and have him on the channel again. But let's get him onto this branch now. There we go. Always keep your capture jar handy just in case he goes for a swan dive off and onto our platypod gear, which I can't see him. Has he done a swan dive without me noticing? Nope, there he is. Okay, he's coming up the side here. So exactly the same as before, we're going to let him settle down, and we don't want a top-down shot. We want a nice face shot of this spider, and he's legging it. God, he didn't do that last time. I think maybe he's worked out how to get off. Sometimes they do that, you know. Once they've attached a bungee cord and come off of your scene, sometimes you just cannot stop them for the life of it. They just carry on doing it because they know how to get off now. You see, he's doing it again. Look, he's like, I've had enough. See you later. You've not had enough. You can give me at least 5 more minutes for saving your life. So what I need to do is hope he settles down. Okay, I'm going to grab my phone. So I've got my light in one hand, my phone in the other hand. Let's see what he does. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do something different. Just keep an eye on here. I'm going to set the light up to be right by him. And I grab one of my gooseneck arms and put it onto my second platypod. And I do apologise again for not looking at the camera, but again, the welfare of the spider is most important. But by taking this extra step, I don't have to hold the light in place. Go. Right now, where are you? There he is, just there. Let's bring that light in, bring our phone up. I need my focus peaking on there. Which one's that one? There we go. And just as I took the picture, he's legging it. So until he keeps still, I'm going to put the light out the way. He's down the bottom. I'm hoping he's going to come back up though, because then I don't have to reposition him. Because every time I reposition him, it spooks him more. Yeah, I'm going to have to reposition him. He's jumped off. There we go. All right, he's in a pretty good position there, but it's not a very good position to get my iPhone in there, unfortunately. Let's try it. Okay. Well, no, he's going back up again. He's up and down all over the place. I wish I could get a shot of him when he's on the end there. That's a nice shot. Let's see if we can get that one. it seems to go up and down depending on what's happening. And again, Spider's welfare is the first priority. If I feel like he's getting too stressed, we will end the photo shoot. Okay, yeah, he's getting too stressed, look. Can you see this? So I'm just going to plop him down, and I'm just going to leave him now. He can basically go wherever he wants because he is a house spider. However, I don't want him falling off the desk that way. Let's put him over there. There he is. So he's now going to go off and find a new home. I'll keep it on the desk because obviously I don't want to get moving stuff out of the way. I don't even know if we got an image out of that. Not the best shots I've ever done with my iPhone. But like I said before, the spider's welfare is the highest priority. As soon as you notice they're getting stressed out, just leave them alone. I've just left him alone. He's gone off over the corner there. He might actually make a web on the light now. So you might see him again on the channel. So I'll put up some of the images now. These have been edited using my macro presets for Lightroom Mobile. But that's my good deed for the day done. We've rescued a spider from the bath in exchange for having a photo shoot. It's like a trade for trade, TFP, that you'd find on a model site. Instead of time for print, it's time for my life. Let me know what you thought about the video in the comments below and whether I should continue doing iPhone macro photography. I'm enjoying it. It's something new. It's something that's pushing my creativity, so I am enjoying it. But that's where I should leave this video. My name's Stewart Wood. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then please subscribe and click the like button. It really does help out the channel. I want to thank my Patreon supporters for their continued support in supporting me and this channel. If you're interested in joining Patreon, then check in the description below this video for a link to Patreon. If you want to continue watching my macro journey, then click one of the videos in front of you now.